Welcome children, this is your mentor Mrs. Mohania. So let's continue with the chapter number 2, that is log on to Access. Well, before moving further, let's recapitulate what we have learned in our previous video. Microsoft Access is the most popular and powerful relational database management system that serves as the integral part of the Microsoft Office suite application. So, the components of Microsoft Access 2016: title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, navigation pane, navigation buttons, objects tab, tell me what you want to do, status bar. Well children, let's understand these components and also learn how to start Microsoft Access with this example. Let's go for the start button, all apps. Here it is, Access 2016. So after I click on Access 2016, we will go for a blank desktop database. And here remember that you have to first give a file name. So I'm giving the name as students1, my file name, and then we'll click on the create option. So this is what is my Microsoft Access looks like. So here the first thing what we have to learn is title bar. So my children, you know very well this top bar is your title bar. Here you can see students database is given, this is your title bar. After that you have quick access toolbar, this is the quick access toolbar. Here on top you have a save option. Then here you have undo and redo buttons. Then the next thing we are having a ribbon. This full is your ribbon. This is your ribbon. You know it contains various tabs and each with the several groups of relevant commands. This is the group. See, the first group is view, add and delete, properties, formatting. This is groups. Okay, and these are your tabs. File tab, then you have home tab, create tab, external data. These all are your tabs. Then you have tell me what you want to do. This is the option over here, tell me what you want to do in case you are not able to find something or you want to quickly search some command. So here you can type in this box over here and it will give you the answer for it. Next is your navigation pane. Now this is your navigation pane, this part. This part is your navigation pane. How it helps out? Navigation pane is present at the left side of your Access window. This is your left side and it will display the name of the objects which you are using in database, such as this table. See, this is the table. Then in case you create a query or you create a form, it all will be followed over here. Next is your navigation button. So for navigation button, here you have, when I create a records, see here you can see 1 of 1 because I have not still created any of the record. Once you start creating a record here, you can see the numbers like 100 records I've created or 1000 records. So from here you can choose which record you want to go for it. You will just click on it and you will type on it. This is your work area here. This area is your work area. At this part we will be creating our database, and here down we have the status bar. Okay, this is the status bar part. So right now this is my status bar here, and this is the view button here in this corner. Which view you want datasheet view or we want design view. So children, your assignment number 8 is the standard file name extension for database in Access 2016 is .accdb. To save database, press Ctrl+S key combination. To quit Microsoft Access, press Alt+F4 key combination. The area that displays the list of new or existing database objects like tables, forms is called navigation pane. Pencil icon indicates the edit mode in Access. So my children, thank you. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe and go digital. God bless you, and do subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.